All right, I have 600 stickers here. They're smelly stickers. It comes in 3 different rolls and 3 different scents, grape, orange, and strawberry. So we'll open them up here. You have your 3 different rolls. So each one has cute different sayings on them. So this would be perfect for like a teacher in the classroom with positive quotes. So it says like, "You rock, keep it up." And you can smell them here. So you're just gonna kind of scratch and sniff. What's that smell like? Does it smell like grape, orange, or strawberry?
I don't really know. It smells like grape, orange, strawberry.
So there's all different kinds here. Super, super cute designs. Just like that. And then there's perforated lines here that you can just rip nice and easily. There's others here. They say, "Impressive, brilliant work. Good job, well done, way to go, wonderful." And then one last roll here. "Superstar, the best, amazing, nice work. Job well done." So these are really, really cute. You can use these, like I said, in the classroom. You can use them at home. You want to peel some off and stick them on there?
Sure.
You're going to scratch it and smell it. What's that one smell like?
A little strawberry.
Does it smell good? What does that one say?
Terrific.
Would you like your teacher to give these to you in your classroom? Yeah? Okay. Let's rip one off and see how easy it is to rip it off on the perforated line here. So here's the perforated line. Just like that. Another cool thing is you can even put these into like little goodie bags for a birthday party, or you know, a little prize bag for a carnival. So a lot of ways that you can use these. Again, super fun for the kids to you know, smell them. Cool sayings that are positive, and can have a lot of fun with them.